Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the cricketer names that belongs to the world of sports. He is a famous cricketer with a net worth of $127 million. He appeared in more or less 450 matches so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli. He holds several records, including the highest number of centuries in run chases in ODI cricket, and the record for the most runs in a single IPL season. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Virat Kohli, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.